Hi, everyone. Let's talk about bag holding versus selling at a loss. Me, I think I'm in the minority when it comes to this because I never bag hold. Never. Ever, ever, ever. In the history of my trading career, have I ever bag hold. Now, that's only because I don't believe in just holding a stock for years while there's like 1,000 other stocks that I could get in that are that I could just make my money. I could just sell that stock I'm at a loss with, take the loss, and put it in a stock that I know is it's at the bottom and it's just gonna go up. So you can just make your money in no time. And if you want, in 30 days after the wash sale, you can get back into the other stock you were in at a better price. So there's always a way to make money. You don't have to bag hold. Now, I'm assuming I'm in the minority on this because I always see people comment like, "Oh, if the stock, if like a stock's at $3, they'll be like, oh, my average is $12. Oh man, I'm going to be holding this for years and years." It's like just sell it and just sell and go get in something else where you can make your money back. You're always going to make your money back somewhere. There's like I said, 1,000 stocks that are moving every day. If yours is just stuck, and you're just going to be stuck in it for years, why? What's the point? Just put it in something else. Now, but there's a difference between bag holding and or selling at a loss. Like if you're bag holding a stock, or if you're impatient. Now, every time I've sold for a loss, which is probably about a million times, I probably I probably sold for losses more than yeah, probably more than a million times. But each time I never cared because I just knew I could make it back somewhere else. So I didn't care. But there was a few times where I regret it to this day. Do you remember the stock Progenity, ticker PROG? Oh man, I remember I got in that. I remember I had this was like a year and a half ago maybe. I got in that at like 91 cents, and I bought 20,000 shares. I practically went all in. Like, I was like, all right, 20,000 shares I'm putting in this at 91 cents. It was at its 52-week low. The company, the company looked legit, totally legit. It had like a $9 price target. And so I was like, all right, I'm just going to hold this, for a little, if it hits $1, 150, 175, something like that, I'll be all right. The price target was $9, so I figure 150, 175, and then I'll get out. But my problem is patience with stuff like that. Like, I have to learn patience because I totally bundled, or if that's the right word, fumbled that stock. Like I said, I got in at 91 cents, and over the next couple of days, it started going down to like 85 cents, 84 cents. So I just panicked, and I panic sold. I was like, all right, forget it. I'm just going to get out of here. I was impatient. And I don't know if you all remember, but all of a sudden, when I did that, Progenity became like a meme stock. It became very popular. And in 2 weeks after I did that, this stock was at $2. So I totally messed that stock. I totally messed that up. That haunts me to this day. But it doesn't matter. I mean, you got to get over it. You always make mistakes like that, and I learned from that. So I learned I have to be patient when I get in a stock like that, uh, and not sell just because it's 7 cents under my average. I totally panicked. Um, but bag holding, when when you're down so much, I just think it's just time to get out. I mean, what? Why just sit there when there's ways to make money in other stocks so much easier. Um, by getting in, in the bottom and it's I don't know. That's all I gotta say. I just want to hear everybody's take on bag holding versus selling at a loss because I will never bag hold ever. And but that doesn't mean like I said, can't learn patience when it's the right stock and it's the right when you're you're at the bottom. Like Progenity, I was in at 91 cents. There was no reason to panic sell. It was at its 52-week low. Just because it went down to like 84, it was just stupid of me. But yeah, let me know what you all think because I will never bag hold. Never, 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 never. If I start going with an extreme loss, I'm just selling right away and just putting it in something else. So let me know what you guys think. All right? Let's have a great day today. Bye.